Welcome today to a special episode. Today we are celebrating 1 year anniversary from beginning of this channel. I'm gonna be preparing this crowd pleaser dessert. It's Oreo brownies. Who doesn't like Oreos? Who doesn't like brownies? So if you are going to a party or some other event and you want to bring some good dessert for a larger group of people, this is a great recipe for you. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.